Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To use a standalone bidet, you can sit or straddle the bidet facing the fixtures. You may need to take your pants off for this, or away from the fixtures, like a toilet. Make sure you position yourself over the jet, then turn the knobs to release hot or cold water depending on what you are most comfortable with. 28 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
So, why hasn't America embraced the bidet? Well, bathrooms in the US aren't really built for bidets. There's no space or additional plumbing setup for bidet fixtures. But the biggest reason it hasn't caught on comes down to habit. 12 March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.